Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to recover deleted Google Sheets so you can restore files you thought were gone for good. First, open your web browser and go to Google Drive. Make sure you are signed into the same Google account that owned the file. On the left side, click Trash. This is where Google keeps deleted files temporarily. Look through the list and find your deleted Google Sheets file. Once you find the file, right-click on it. Then click Restore. This puts the file back into its original folder in Google Drive. Now go back to My Drive. Open the restored Google Sheets file to confirm it's back. Deleted files stay in trash for about 30 days. After that, they are permanently removed. That's it. Quick recovery, no extra tools, and your data is safe again. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.